Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Face ID to lock apps on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you're looking for a way to secure apps like Notes or Photos with Face ID, I'm going to walk you through how to do it. Let's jump straight into it. First, you need to make sure your device is running iOS 18, which is currently the latest version of iOS. To do that, head over to your iPhone's Settings, scroll down to General, and tap on Software Update. If you see iOS 18 is available, make sure to install it before moving forward. Now, open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode here, so go ahead and do that. Before anything, make sure Face ID is enabled and set up properly on your device. If it's already configured, great, we can move on. Next, go back to your home screen and pick the app you want to lock. For example, let's say you want to lock the Notes app. Press and hold down on the app icon until a menu pops up with additional options. Among the options, you'll see something that says Require Face ID. Tap on that. At this point, your iPhone will prompt you to scan your face to confirm it's you who's locking the app. Once the scan is complete, that app is now secured. From now on, each time you want to access that app, whether it's Notes, Photos, or any other, you'll need to scan your face to unlock it. And that's how you lock apps with Face ID on iPhone using iOS 18. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips from Foxtecc. See you later!